Hello guys, welcome to askIITians. My name is Gaurav Yadav. I hope my screen is visible and my voice is also audible. So yeah, today we'll discuss about dice and cube, a very important chapter. Yes guys, this chapter dice and cube. I guess like all you are aware of what dice is and what cube is, right? Dice is basically a cube, right? And you must have played while playing a Ludo game, right? Dice is a cube form and having numbers on it. Having numbers on it. What numbers? Like these dotted numbers, and these dotted numbers are 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, and 6. Right? So dice is a three-dimensional figure with all its surface numbered from 1 to 6. We are given below few properties of dice. There are certain properties of dice which we will discuss. Okay. First of all, what dice is? Dice is a cube. And what cube is? Cube is a 3D figure of what? 3D figure of a square. If I just say, if I just make a one dice or one square, sorry, one cube. This is a cube, right? Let me just name it also. Let's say this A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Dice is a cube which has 8 vertices. 8 FG, EH, right? BF, AE, and what more? 4 faces are there, right? Sorry, 6 faces are there, also including your top and bottom. The top surface, the top surface is what like A, B, F, E. The bottom surface is what? D, C, G, and H, right? Next is what? That in one phase is adjacent to 4 faces. One face is adjacent to 4 faces, right? Like if we talk about your ABCD, you can also assume the cube as your room. So the wall of one room is adjacent to 4 walls, right? Next, let's talk about what's there type of dice. How many types of dice are there? So there are only 2 types. One is standard dice. Standard dice is very simple. A standard dice is a dice in which the one is opposite to 6. Opposite. One is opposite to 6, 2 is opposite to 5, and 3 is opposite to 4. Right? If I just make diagram, let's say here is 1, and on the front surface is 2 and 3. So one will be just remember the standardized. One is opposite to 6, two is opposite to 5, and three is opposite to 4. Then is your simple dice. In simple dice, one is not opposite to 6. Basically, what? Like here the opposite side sum is 7. Sum is what? Opposite side sum is 7. Opposite side sum is 7. Like 1 plus 6, 7. 2 plus 5, 7. 3 plus 4, 7. Opposite side sum is 7 for standard dice. But for simple dice, opposite side sum is not 7. Adjacent, adjacent side sum is 7. For example, let's say this is 3, this is 4, this is 1, right? Here 1 is not opposite to 6, 3 is not opposite to 5, 3 is adjacent to 4, right? So here the sum will be, the adjacent side sum is 7. That's it. Two types of dice is there. One is standard one. In standard one is opposite to 6, two is opposite to 5, three is opposite to 4. Basically, what the opposite side sum is 7. In simple dice, adjacent side sum is 7, not the opposite one. I think it is clear. Now just come to the questions and the properties, how to solve those questions, right? Okay. So these are properties. A dice has 6 surfaces. We already know all of them numbered from 1 to 6. If the surface of a dice are unfolded and placed on a plane, what is unfolded basically means, like a diagram is there already. This is what unfolded is, right? This is what unfolded is. You can also imagine this as a sweet box, right? Or any box you can take, a sweet box or any box you can take, just unfold it and try to form it another way, right? So there can be number of forms of your unfolded dice. Okay, based on that, questions are generally asked. So if the surfaces of dice are unfolded and placed on a plane, the figure of dice so often will look like on one of the following figures. Okay, if the form one is this 1 3 5 6, like this form, right? So if you try to, like, this is unfolded one, and if you try to do, like, try to make it a folded one, it will be like 3 on the top. If you see 3 on the top, then okay, let me just make it, let me just go first. Guys, my voice clear? Reply in the chat. Let's say this is your dice, right? If 3 is on the top, right? If 3 is on the top, then if you just hold it, like if 2 will be on this surface and 4 will be on this surface. 1 is at the back, 5 is at the front, and 6 is at the bottom. Is that clear? If you just can imagine, if you just take 3 as your the top one, then 2 and 4 will be on the adjacent, 1 and 5 will be, like, see, 1 and 5 will be your opposite one, 2 and 4 will be opposite one, and then finally 3 and 6 will be opposite one. So 3 is opposite to 6, 2 is opposite to 4, 1 is opposite to 5. Is that clear? Guys, 100% reply in the chat if it's clear or not. Yes, is it clear? In this form, a 2 will be opposite to 4, 1 will be opposite to 5, and 3 will be opposite to 6. Now, this is the form 2. In form 2, see the opposite ones, right? If you can imagine, your 2 will be opposite to your 4. Just like it's not the opposite is what, like if any form is given, the unfolded one, right? The opposite side will be the alternate one, not adjacent, alternate. 2 is alternate to 4, 3 is alternate to 5, and if you can see one, the rest one will be alternate to 6. So 1 will be alternate to 6, 2 is opposite to 4, and 3 is opposite to 5. Is it clear? Is this form clear? Second form. Whenever an unfolded dice is given, right? The opposite sides are the alternate ones. Like 2 is alternate to 4. Just make a one gap and you will see. 2, give one gap, then 4. So 2 and 4 will be opposite. 3, make one gap, 4. It will be 5. 3 and 5. And then 1 and 6. Right? If I make an folded one, it will be like it's like if front is 3, then back is 5, 2 and 4, 1 and 6. Right? Let's move to another forms. Okay, your unfolded dice can be of this type also, can be of this form also. Form 3. Form 3. In form 3, your 1 will be opposite to alternate 4. 3 will be opposite to 5, and the rest 2 will be opposite to 6. So 2 will be opposite to 6, 3 will be opposite to 5, 1 will be opposite to 4. Is it clear or not? Yes. Whenever unfolded dice are there, right? Then you have to fold it, or you have to find that what will be the opposite, what will be the adjacent to the folded one. Form 4. It is clear that 1 will be opposite to 4, 3 will be opposite to 6, the rest 2 will be opposite to 5. The alternate ones are the opposite, alternate ones. Right? Just give a one gap and you will find that 1 will be opposite to 4, 3 and 6, one gap, right? Here. Okay, tell me for this. Here, 4 will be opposite to 6, 1 will be opposite to 3, and 2 will be opposite to 5. Right? If you do not know the rule also, then by imagining that how you will make a box out of the open box, right? These forms are basically the unfolded ones. Basically, what these are? These are your open boxes, open sweet box. You have to make a box out of them. So how you will gonna do it, right? Form 6. Okay. This is clear that 2 will be opposite to 4, 1 will be opposite to 5, right? Okay, this box is what? That if 3 is at the bottom, just imagine this box. If 3 is at the bottom, then the adjacent, this will be 2. I'm just making a rough diagram. This will be 4. If you just flip the 2 side and the 4 side, they will be opposite. If you flip the 1 side and the 5th side, this is a 3D figure. I cannot make here, right? So this 2 side and 4 side will be opposite. 1 side and 5 side will be opposite. And on the top of 3, all this plus, minus, like this figure will be there on the top. It will be minus, plus, is equal to, and cross multiply. Is it clear? Imagine form 6 as your box, as an open box. You have to make a folded box out of this. How you will gonna make it? Just imagine that 3 is at the base, right? If you just flip your 2 and 4, they will be opposite. If you flip your 1 and 5, they will be opposite. And on the top of them, your plus, minus, multiply, and is equal to will form an another side of a square, another side of a face, another face. Okay, is that clear? Tell me if it is clear, then we'll move to the questions. Yes, guys. Reply in the chat, Kavitha. Clear or just AGM? Okay. What's your name, AGM? Mirdul. Okay. 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 Next form is 7th form, right? Imagine this is your box. Imagine this is your box. This is an open box, right? How you will make it? Okay. The same 3 will be at the bottom. If 3 is at the bottom, then 2 and 4 will be opposite. So 2 and 4 will be the opposite faces. 1 and 5 will be opposite faces, right? If we just see, like if 3 is your bottom, then okay, if you flip them, then 2 and 4 will be your opposite one, right? Similarly, 1 and 5. This will be 5 here. If we just make them flip towards like to make a box, to make a folded box, right? Okay, what will be at the top? Your top will be like this will be like your minus sign here is equal to sign here, and cross sign here, multiplication sign here, and plus sign here. These all small box will make one face which will be opposite to 3. Is it clear? Tell me, is it clear or not? Now comes your form 8. Form 8, see, alternate. 1 will be opposite to 3, 2 will be opposite to 4. Now, if we just make a box, you will find that you minus and multiply one face will be opposite to your plus and is equal to, right? If you just make a box, your minus and plus will be opposite to, which one is 6, Kavitha? Which one is 6? In this form 8, 1 is opposed to 3, 2 is opposed to 4. Then the rest, this minus and multiply. Okay, they will be in the form of horizontal one. Right? If you just make a box, now it will be a minus and plus. They will form like minus and multiply here, and is equal to and plus here. You have to imagine a little for this. Is that clear? Okay, then move to the questions now. Okay, see the very first question. A dice has been thrown 4 times and produce the following results. Which number will appear opposite to 3? Okay, which number will appear opposite to 3? See, 1 times 631 is there. Only 3 faces are visible to you. 524, 351, 236. Now you have to, like, this is the same dice, but it is thrown multiple times. You have to identify that in that dice, what will be number that is opposite to 3. Okay, Pranav, what will be opposite to 3, right? So see, how to do these types of question. This is the same dice. Now see, what will be number opposite to 3? Okay, opposite to 3. See, the dice is same. The number opposite to 3, I am just saying the number opposite to 3. If I just see only the first option, I will just say that the number opposite to 3 will not be 6 and will not be 1, because the number opposite to 3 will not be 6, will not be 1, because these are the adjacent. They cannot be your opposite side. Is it clear? if i just if I just see the option 1, right, I can just say that the number which is opposite to 3 is neither your 6 neither your 1, because these are the adjacent side and I need opposite. Is that clear, guys? Next, if I just see the third option, I can also say that it is neither 5 also. 5 will also not be your opposite one. If I just see the fourth option also, I can also say that 2 is also not the option. 2 is not the opposite one, right? So which option is left? I die is there, only 6 options are there. So which option is left? Only 4. So 4 will be opposite to 3. Is that clear or not? We have to think like that. Tell me it's clear or not. I am just repeating a die. The same die was thrown 4 times and produce the following results. Which number will be appear opposite to number 3? It is just saying that if a dice is there, na, if a dice is there, what will be the number which is opposite to 3? What will be that number which is opposite to 3? The question is asking that. So any number which is opposite to 3, that number should not be 6, should not be 1, because these are the adjacent. Also, should not be 5, because 5 is what? 5 is adjacent to in option 3. Also, it will not be 2, because it is also adjacent. So the only option available is 4. Is it clear? Okay then. Okay. Okay then, answer me this question. Okay, Mridul, for now. Yes. Example 2. Answer me the figure given below shows the two different position of dice. Which number will appear opposite to 2? Which number will be there which is opposite to 2? Which number will be there which is opposite to 2? Yes. Okay, Mridul and Pranav, 5. Okay. See here, what the logic behind is, whenever only two positions are given, right? Just see what is common in them. What is common visible to you? 4 is visible, right? 4 is also here. Now see. Now what will be if I just move clockwise? This is the sign of the clockwise, and this is the sign of anti-clockwise. As the dice is same, okay, the dice is same. So if I just move from 4 to clockwise, then it will be 2. Opposite. Is it clear or not? This is how you like get your answer, right? How I have done, I have just first see that which side, which face is common. 4 is common. So what is the opposite to 4? Sorry, what is the clockwise to 4? In the first, it is 2. And what is the clockwise to 4? In the second, it is 5. It means that 2 will be opposite to 5. That's it. 2 will be opposite to 5. Okay, let me just show you how this dice is made. Okay, this dice is like, if 4 is on the top, 2 is here, 3 is here, 5 is on this face, right? 5 is on this face, and 6 on the back one, and 1 will at the bottom. If the question if the question is key, what will be the opposite to 4? So that should be 1, right? Why? Because 3 and 2 cannot be its adjacent. 5 and 6, sorry, 3 and 2 cannot be its opposite. 5 and 6 cannot be its opposite. Only the option is that 1 should be there for the opposite to 4. Is it clear? Yes, tell me, is it clear? Mridul, Pranav. Okay, then move next. Okay, question number 3. From the following figures of dice, which number will come in place of this question mark? What will be there in place of question mark? What will be there in place of question mark? Tell me. Yes, guys. In this space, in this question mark phase, what should be there? 3 different positions of dice are given. All of them is basically the same dice, but they are thrown thrice. So different positions are given. You have to identify what should be there in place of question mark. 423, 512, 16, and then what? you have to identify. Tell me. So now it's 3. Okay, we'll check it. Just do one thing, just make a die, right? You have to identify this question mark. So let's see. First, make a die. You have to identify the question mark, right? So 1 is at the top, 6 is at the front. Just tell me what will be at the bottom. If 1 is at the top, then what will be at the bottom? Basically means what will be opposite to 1? What will be opposite to 1? See here. In first case, what in first and second, what is common? Who is common? 2 is common. The clockwise to 2 is 4 and the clockwise to 2 is 1. So it means 4 is opposite to 1. So if 1 is at the top, then 4 is at the bottom. Is that clear? Is that clear or not? If 1 is at the top, then 4 is at the bottom. Now see, here, in second and third, what is common? 1 is common. It means the anti-clockwise to 1. The anti-clockwise to 1 is the anti-clockwise to 1 is 2 and anti-clockwise to 1 is 6 here. It means 2 will be opposite to 6. So if 6 is at the front, then 2 will be at the your back face, right? Now what left? Now it is clear. It is clear that 3 will be opposite to 5. It is now clear that 3 is opposite to 5. So in this place of question mark, 3 can be there and the 5 can be there. Now what? In this, 3 can be there and 5 can be there. So here should be 5. Here should be 5 and here should be 3. Just tell me the reason why. Here is 5, right? In this dice, here is 5. In this place, 5 is there. Why? Because see, 1 is up 1 like in the second and third. In the second and the third, if you move from 1 to 5, it is clockwise. Here also 5 should be there in place of clockwise direction. Is that clear? Right? Let's move to next question then. Okay, the unfolded dice is given. The unfolded dice is given. You have to identify that which dice would be there if you just fold it, or the pegged dice. The open dice is given. You have to identify which is the pegged dice. Do it. Do this. Do this. The unfolded dice, the unfolded box is given. You have to identify which one is the folded one. Which one should be the folded one? Just follow the rules which I have already told you, that which side, which phase will be opposite to what. Just follow that rule and identify. 3 is fake. Why it's fake? See now, like what information we can get from the unfolded one, sorry, this fold unfolded one. 2 will be opposite to 4, 1 will be opposite to 6, and 5 will be opposite to 3. 2 will be opposite to 2 will be opposite to 4. 1 is opposite to 6. 5 is opposite to 3. Now see, just eliminate the options. 3 is opposite to 5. So second option cannot be there because here 3 is adjacent to 5. So it is not. 2 is opposite to 4. Also this option is eliminated because 2 is opposite to 4. It cannot be is adjacent. Also the second option, 2 and 4. 2 is opposite to 4. So 2 and 4 cannot be adjacent. Only option given is, the answer is your first part, right? So now what are you saying? 3 is fake. What fake meaning is? Are you have to identify that which one, which like all, like out of the 4 option, only one is right. Definitely all these 3 are cannot possible, right? You have to identify that which one is that the original dice. Is that clear? First of all, in this particular question or in these types of question, first of all, identify the information you can get. Like 2 is opposite to 4. Then see in the given option, like 2 and 4, these are opposite. So they cannot be adjacent. 5 and 3, these are opposite. These cannot be adjacent, right? So the only option given is question your first option, right? Is that clear? Guys, reply. Is that clear or not? If it is clear, then do this question. Which number is on the opposite surface of number 3? Basically, it is asking that if, like, what will be the opposite side to 3? Answer it. What will be opposite side to 3? If 3 is on the top, what should be there in the bottom? 4 different positions of dice are given. Now it's 1 or option 1. What will be the side which is opposite to 3? It's 4 of, yeah, it's 4. It is very simple. Like, which number is opposite to 3? Now see, observe the second option and the fourth option. 1 and 6 are common, right? So 3 and 4 will be opposite. 3 will be opposite to 4. That's it. Only from the second dice and fourth dice I have evaluated that 1 and 6 are common to both. 1 and 6 are common to both. It means 3 will be opposite to 4. 3 will be opposite to 4. Is that clear? Or you can go like 1 is common to both. 1 is common here also, right? 6 is common. Okay, like from other information, can you get? Or we just leave, right? Like 1 and 6 are common, so 3 and 4 will be opposite. That's it. Okay, these are the questions. Question 2 and question 3. Which number is opposite to 5? Question 2. Tell me guys, which number is opposite to 5? Reply fast. Are you getting the concept? Which number is opposite to 5? Now see, observe all those four positions. You have to identify which number is opposite to 5. Mirdul, your 6 cannot be. Like see, if you just see first option and fourth option, 5 and 3 are common. 5 and 3 are common here also. The rest is 4 and 6. So 4 will be opposite to 6. 4 will be opposite to 6. But the question is asking for what will be opposite to 5. Identify what number will be opposite to 5. See, observe the first option and the third option. 5 and 4 is common, 5 and 4 is common. So 3 will be opposite to 2. So 3 will be opposite to 2. What is the rest? 5 will be opposite to 1. So which option? Option 3 will be right. Is that clear or not? 1 will be opposite to 5 or 5 will be opposite to 1. If we observe one first die and your fourth die, I can say that 4 is opposite to 6. Then first die and third dice, I can say that 3 is opposite to 2. So what are the rest? 5 will be opposite to 1. Is that clear to all? Tell me. Okay then, okay. Do the question number 3. Which number is opposite to 2? Which number is opposite to 2? Observe all those positions, write this information, then it will be very much clear to you, right? Observe all those four positions. Which number is opposite to number 2? Evaluate your die 1 and die 2. What information you can get? Like the 2 and 4 are common. In first and second, the 2 and 4 are common. It means 3 is opposite to 6. 3 is opposite to 6, right? Now observe second option and third option. 2, 3, 2, 3. It means 4 is opposite to 5. Here 4 is opposite to 5. So the rest 2 will be opposite to which one? 1. So the option 3 is right. Is that clear? Is that clear or not? Just observe first option, second option, 3 will be opposite to 6. Observe second option, third option, 4 will be opposite to 5. So now what rest? 2 will be opposite to 1. That's it. Is that clear? If it is clear, Then answer this. Question number 4. Which letter will be opposite to letter D? Which letter is opposite to letter D? Observe the dice and evaluate the information. Then you can easily get which option will be right. Yes, guys. Which letter will be opposite to letter D? Reply fast. Arey, this is very easy. See, a third dice and fourth one. Third position and fourth position. See now. B and C is common. B is common, C is common, B is common, C is common. What is the rest? D is rest. And A is there. So D will be opposite to A. Which option? Option 1 is right. Is that clear? This is very easy. Is that clear or not? Yes, Mridul. Okay. Then answer the question number 5. Which symbol will come opposite to symbol your divide symbol? Which symbol will be opposite to symbol divide? Tell me, which symbol will be opposite to divide? Which symbol is opposite to your divide? Answer this. You can also do this question by option eliminating, which is very easy. First tell me the answer, then I will tell you from both ways. Answer this. Which symbol will come opposite to your divide? See here. First, I am telling you the option eliminating method. See, you have to find the opposite to divide. See, here divide is there, cross and is equal to sign. So these cannot be opposite. These cannot be opposite as these are at the side. See the position 2. Divide is there, is equal to cannot be there, and triangle also cannot be there. So the only option is this circle. So the only answer is this circle. Is that clear? Array, see the adjacent side. Like cross is there, multiply is there. These are adjacent. So they cannot be opposite. So eliminate them. Triangle sign cannot be also there. Eliminated. Only option given is your circle. Okay. Now see how to do from the basic one. Divided is equal to is there. So cross and your triangle. Your cross, your triangle will be opposite to cross. If you see the first position and second position. Now see, second position, third position is equal to will be opposite to your square. Is equal to will be opposite to your square. Then what? What left? Your divide will be opposite to which option is there? Like this circle. That's it. Which symbol is left? The circle. Is that clear? You can go through the option eliminating method, or you can go through the this basic one, like which one is opposite to it. Is that clear? If it is clear, then do this question. Which number will be opposite to 2? This is very easy. Which number will be opposite to 2? Yes, Mridul. The answer is 3. Very easy. See, which number will be opposite to 2? So if you observe the first die, 1 and 5 cannot be there because these are adjacent. 6 cannot be also there because this is adjacent. Only option given is 3. That's it. 4 cannot be also there. So only option is 3. Is that clear? Right? Also. If you move, like what is common? 2 is common. If you move from 2 to clockwise, you will get 6. So 1 will be opposite to 6. Same, 5 will be opposite to 4. 2 will be opposite to 3. That's it. Any way you can just move to this question. Is that clear or not? I guess for this question, eliminating option elimination method is very fast. Okay, do this question. Which number, which number will be, which will be the number at the bottom is 5 is at the top? Basically, this is asking that what is the number opposite to 5? Tell me, which will be the number at the bottom if 5 is at the top? If 5 is at the top, what number will be at the bottom? Yes, reply. Which, if 5 is at the top. Now see, if we just observe, 2 is there, 2 is common here. If you move clockwise, you will get 4. So 4, and if you move clockwise, it will be 6. So 4 will be opposite to 6. Same, 1 will be opposite to 3. What left? 2 is opposite to 5. That's it. So which number will be at the bottom is 5 is at the top? It will be your second option. Is that clear? Right? Okay, more questions are there. Question number 8, question number 9. Question number 8. All the surfaces of the dice contain different number in the form of dots. Consider both the figure of dice and tell how many dots are contained on the face opposite to the face that contain 4 dots. Just basically the question is what will be number which is opposite to 4? Opposite to 4, what number it will be? Reply. If 4 is at the top, what should be at the bottom? What will be number opposite to 4? See, this is common here. Find the common in both the dice, right? Now move the clockwise. It will be 2. Move the clockwise here. It is 5. So 2 is opposite to 5, right? And 6 will be opposite to 4. Two is opposite to 5 and 6 will be opposite to 4. What will be the option? 4 is right. Sorry, your 6 is right. Basically option 4. Is that clear? Or is that clear or not? See, just see the common. One is common, one is common here. The clockwise 2 is 2. So 2 will be opposite to 5 here. Therefore, 6 will be opposite to 4. Now see the question number 9. Opposite to two dots. Opposite to two dots. Just see the common. Which is common? 5 is common here. 5 is common here. Move to opposite, it is 4. Move to clockwise, it is 3. So 4 is opposite to 3. 2 will be opposite to 1. So the first option is right. Is that clear? Question number 10. Which alphabet will come opposite to F? Just see. Follow the elimination. D and A cannot be. Okay. C and D, A and C. F. Okay, follow this. D is common here, D is common here. The clockwise to D is E. The clockwise to D is A. So A will be opposite to E. So C will be opposite to F. Which option? Option C is right. Question. Okay, answer this, guys. This is very easy. Question number 11. What will be opposite to 4? What will be opposite to 4? This is very easy. Opposite to 4. See, 3 and 2 is common here. 3 and 2 is common here. What left? 4 is left. So 4 will be opposite to 1. That's it. Which is opposite to 4? 1. Second option. Is that right? Is that clear? I hope that the concept of your dice is clear, right? We'll meet you in the next session with a new topic. Thank you, guys.